Okay, this is the property of binary search tree. Okay, fine. So suppose these are the key values which we have given, and we have to suppose construct BST, that is binary search tree. Okay, I already have told you what is the property of binary search tree. The key value, okay, which is situated at left hand side of the root node is less than that of root node, and the key value which is situated at right hand side of the root node is greater than that of root node. And we have to make use of that particular property. For example, suppose this is the 9 as a key value. I make it as a root. Okay, fine. Next one is the 4. Obviously, 4 is less than 9. It is added at the left hand side of 9. Okay, next one is the 11. It is greater than 9. It is added at the right hand side of the 9. Next it's 10. Again, I already have told you have to start your comparison starting from the root node. 10 10 is greater than 9. It is added at the right hand side of 9, but at the right hand side there is already 11. Okay, there is already 11. Mm, and again you have to compare this 10 with 11. 10 is less than 11. It is added at the left of 11. Okay, fine. Next is what? 16. Again compare it with 9. It is greater. It is added at the right of 9. Again 16 is compared with 11. Again it is greater. Again it is added at the right of 11. Okay, fine. Next is what? 12. Okay, it is greater than 9 at the right of 9. It is greater than 11 at the right of 11. Again at the right of 11 there is 16. Again you compare 12 with 16. It is smaller, therefore 16 is added at the left of 12. Sorry, 12 is added at the left of 16. Next is what? 7. uh, it is smaller than root node 9. It is added at the left of 9. At the left of 9 there is 4. Again 7 is greater than 4, therefore 7 is added at the right of 4. Next is what? 1 less than 9 at the left of 9. Less than 4 at the left of 4. It is added at the left of 4. Next is what? 5 less than 9 at the left of 9. Greater than 4 at the right of 4. Less than 7 at the left of 7. Okay, so this is nothing but it is what? The binary search tree. If you observe this tree, the key value always here, you complete this property. What? The key value situated at the left hand side is less than that of root node, and the key value situated at the right hand side is greater than that of root node. I hope ki now you are well familiar with this concept binary search tree. Is it fine? Okay, is it fine? Is it fine? Hello, is it fine? Okay, fine. Then next concept is traversal. Okay, I directly start with the concept of the traversal. Okay, the concept of the mm, traversal. Okay, basically what do you mean by traversal? Okay, traversal is nothing but it is a fashion of visiting a tree in such a way that each and every node is get visited exactly once. Underline the word what? Exactly once. Okay, here just I write exactly once. Okay, what do you mean by traversal? Uh, Traversal is nothing but it is a fashion of visiting a tree in such a way that each and every node gets visited exactly once. Okay, for example, suppose this is the tree, it is 5. Okay, suppose it becomes 3, it becomes 1, it becomes 4. Okay, next, suppose it is 9, it becomes 7, and it becomes, suppose it's 11. Okay, suppose this is the binary search tree. Okay, fine. Now, with respect to tree, we are having three kind of traversal. And what are those? Out of them, first one is what? In order traversal. Okay, out of them, first one is nothing but it is in order traversal. Second one is nothing but it is what? Pre-order traversal. Okay, and next one is nothing but it is what? Post order traversal. Okay, in order traversal, pre-order traversal, and post order traversal. Okay, it is nothing but it is post order traversal. Okay, now, uh, each traversal is having its definition. Just I start with in order traversal. The definition of the in order traversal is left. Okay, then root left, root right. Okay, the definition of pre-order traversal is what? Root. Okay, then left. Okay, and then right. And finally, post order traversal is having definition as left, then right, then root. Okay, mm, so these are the definitions. Okay, in order definition, pre-order definition, post-order definition. What is in order definition? Left, root, right. Pre-order definition, root, left, right. And what is post order definition? Left, right, root. So let us start with our first definition, in order definition. Okay, how to calculate in order? What is the definition of in order? Left, root, right. That is, you have to visit the leftmost node first. Okay, then its root, then its right. Okay, so for this tree, okay, uh, let us calculate in order sequence. Okay, which one is the leftmost? Obviously, if you observe, this one is the leftmost. So what is the definition? You have to visit leftmost, that is 1. Okay, then its root. What is its root? 3. Okay, then it's right, 4. Okay, again it is left part, its root is nothing but it is what? It is 5. Okay, and at the right hand side again you have to apply the same procedure. Left, root, right. It become 7, 9, and 11. So what is in order sequence? It is 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11. And if you observe here, each and every node gets visited exactly once. Okay, we will see several example, but uh, are you getting me or not? How to calculate in order traversal? Is it fine for everyone? Hello, is it fine? Okay, fine. Again another example. Again another example. Just I take another example. Okay, suppose it one is it one be the 11. 7, it is 5, it is suppose 8. Okay, then it becomes 20, it becomes 15, it becomes suppose it becomes 25, then it becomes 23, and it becomes suppose 30. Okay, again it becomes suppose 1. Okay, and it becomes suppose 6. Now what is in order traversal? Left, root, right. Which one is the leftmost? It is the leftmost. Okay, left root is 5, right is 6. Okay, so this left part, okay, again, the root is 7 and its right is 8. So in this way we have completed this part. Okay, left, what is root, what is root? 11. Okay, again at the right hand side, again at the right hand side you have to apply the same procedure. Okay, now tell me, at the right hand side, which one is the node who is leftmost? Tell me, at the right hand side, that is in this subtree, which one is the node who is the most leftmost? Immediately reply me, please. Obviously 15. Okay, so left, its root, its root is nothing but it's 20, and again at the right hand side you have to apply the same procedure. Left, okay, then root, then right. So what is in order sequence? What is in order sequence? 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 15, 20, 23, 25, and 30. And if you observe at this sequence, each and every node is get visited exactly once. Is it fine? Hello, is it fine? Are you getting me or not? Direct second year students, is it fine? Are you getting me or not? Okay, fine. Again, one more example, last example, so that I can continue with our next pre-order sequence. Okay, another example is, suppose it becomes 10, it becomes 5, it becomes 9, it becomes 8. Okay, it becomes, I think, suppose here I write. Okay, suppose here I write, mm, oh no, suppose here I write 8. Okay, it becomes 7. Okay, and it becomes, suppose, 9, and at the right top 10, at the right top 10 it becomes 15, it becomes 17, and it becomes 16. Okay, suppose this is the tree. Now tell me, in this tree, which is the node who is the leftmost node कुठला आहे या ट्री मध्ये? लेफ्टमोस्ट नोड कुठला आहे या ट्री मध्ये? विच इज द नोड हु इज द लेफ्टमोस्ट? लेफ्टमोस्ट नोड कुठला आहे? बी फास्ट.
7.
सॉरी. Hello. No one give me
7.
reply. Am I audible? Am I audible? Ha. Oh, variation in the result. Some of you are saying 5, some of you are saying 7. Abhishek Kamkar. How it is 7? See, it is your root node. It is your root node. This is your what? Left subtree. This is your right subtree. Are you agree with this? It is your left subtree. It is your right subtree. Okay. In this left subtree, in this left subtree, okay, there is no any node at the left of 5. Therefore, 5 is known as leftmost. Abhishek, are you getting me or not? How 5 is leftmost? Are you getting me or not? Uh, I think Shubhangi Goikar, Abba Singh, you both are saying ki 7 is the leftmost. No, 7 is lying at the right of 5. How it becomes? How you can say it as leftmost? बरोबर आहे ना, 7 कुठं आहे? 5च्या राईटला आहे. ऑब्विसली मग तो लेफ्टमोस्ट कसा असेल? Abbasing, are you getting me or not? Are you getting me or not? Immediately, I want response from you. Yes, I got. Okay, fine, fine. Okay, so again, what is in order sequence? Left, root, right. Leftmost is what? 5. Okay, 5. Okay, then you calculate and tell me what will be the result. What will be the result? What will be the result of this in order sequence? 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16. Okay. Indira, you are, I think you are wrong. Prathamesh, yes, it is correct. Yes, yes. No, 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 no. 10, 15, 16, 17. You have made some mistake. Next, any other answer than this? Any other answer than this? See, 5, okay. Then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. Again at the right hand side, who is the leftmost? 15. Then at the right hand side again you have to apply the same procedure. What? That is 16 and 17. Okay, so this is nothing but it is the in order sequence. Okay, if you look at this sequence, what do you observe? Or the examples which we have seen up till now, in that, for example, another previous example here I show you. Just I show you. Okay, so sorry, I have created new file, that's why I can't find new or previous file. Okay, so if you calculate in order sequence of binary search tree, if you calculate in order sequence of binary, for example, suppose this is 3. mm, it is suppose it is 7, it is 9, it is 6, and it is suppose now 22. What is the result of in order? 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10 and 22. बरोबर आहे ना? Left root at the right hand side, left root right. This is the left. Okay, then it is the root, then at the right hand side. So what is final sequence? 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 22. So if you calculate in order sequence, what you observe? Can you justify? You get sequence in sorted ascending order. Okay, are you getting me or not? That is, what is the conclusion? If you have binary search tree and if you calculate in order sequence, what you get? You get sequence in the ascending order. Okay, in the ascending order of keys. Is it fine? Is it fine? Okay, so can I start with next sequence pre-order? Can I start with next sequence pre-order? Is it fine? Hello, is it fine? Okay, very good. Have you got the concept of in order? म्हणजेच काय, इफ वी आर हॅव्हिंग बायनरी सर्च ट्री ॲज अ इनपुट, एक आपल्याला बायनरी सर्च ट्री इनपुट दिले आणि त्याचं आपल्याला इन ऑर्डर कॅल्क्युलेट करायचंय डायरेक्टली. इफ यू calculate in order, the sequence which you get is nothing but it is in the ascending order, in the sorted order. Okay, is it fine for everyone? Is it fine for everyone? Okay, very good. Next, pre-order. Okay, next traversal is nothing but it is what? It is pre-order traversal, and I already have given definition of pre-order. What is the definition of pre-order? I already have given. uh, you have to visit route first, okay, then leftmost, then right. Okay, that is what is the pre-order sequence? Route left, right. And again we will go through several examples. Okay, suppose it becomes 5, it becomes suppose 3, it becomes 1, it becomes 4, uh, it becomes 9, it becomes 7, and it becomes suppose 11. Okay, now according to definition you have to visit root first, okay. So which is the root node? Obviously 5. Okay, I visit root node. Okay, again this is root node, this is left hand side, and this is right hand side. Okay, that is this is a root node. Okay, this is the root node. Again this is nothing but it is left subtree, and this one is nothing but it is the right subtree. So I visit root, I visit root, fine. Okay, here I visit root, then left subtree, and at the left subtree again you have to apply the same procedure. You have to visit root, that is 3, then it's left 1, then it's right 4. That is we have visited root node, its left part, and again at the right hand side, again at the right hand side you have to visit root, that is it becomes 9, it's left, and it's right. Okay, so this is the sequence, this is the sequence. What? 5, 3, 1, 4, 9, 7, 11. Is it okay? Is it okay pre-order? Is it okay pre-order? Is it okay pre-order? Okay. Can I take one more example? Okay. Just I take one more example. तुला आलाय का? कर- okay, fine. One more example. One more example. It becomes suppose 11, 5, 3, 7, suppose it is 9, it is 6, okay, 15, then 17, and then 13. Okay, now what is the pre-order sequence? You tell me. What is root node? I visit root first, 11. Again this is left hand side, that is left subtree, and it is what? It is what? It is right subtree. Okay, again at the I have visited root. Okay, what is definition? Definition is what? Root. Okay, then left, then right. Okay, I have visited root, it is fine. Then at the left hand side, again you have to apply the same procedure. Root, okay, 5, I visit 5, okay. Again I visit left is nothing but 3, okay. At the right hand side, I apply the same procedure. Again root, again left, again right, that is I have visited root, I have visited left, and again at the right hand side again I apply the same procedure. It becomes root, okay, it becomes left, okay, it becomes right, and what is the total sequence? It becomes 11, 5, 3, 7, 6, 9, 15, 13, 17. Is it good? Is it okay? Is it okay? Hello? I think am I correct or not wrong? Am I right or wrong? Yes. Okay. Uh, I hope now you are well familiar with the concept of pre-order. Okay. One more example. Okay. 11, 7, 9, 8, 10, 17, 16. Calculate pre-order sequence. Calculate pre-order. What is pre-order sequence? Okay. Root, left, right la again root, left, right, again at the right hand side it becomes mm, root and left. So 11, 7, 9, 8, 10, 17, 16. Okay, fine. Now I hope you are well familiar with the concept of pre-order. Now our next sequence is post-order traversal. Okay, what is post-order definition? What is post-order definition? The definition of post-order is like this. Okay, the definition of uh, post-order it like this. Okay, it becomes left, then right, and then it becomes what? It becomes what? Root. For example, suppose this is the example 10, 5, 13, 11, 17, 3, and 7. Okay, calculate post order left, right, root. You have to visit leftmost, then it's right, then it's root. Okay, so who is the leftmost? 3. Left, it's right. 7, it's root. 5. Sorry, 7 and 5. I have completed this left part. Again same procedure at the right part. Okay, left, root, right. So it I have completed left part, I have completed right part, then I visit root. So it becomes what? 3, 7, 5, 11, 17, 13, and 10. This is nothing but this is the post order sequence. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay, very good. Uh, again, one more example so that I can start with the implementation part. Okay, very good. Suppose you have given sequence 11, 7, 9, 5, 17, 13, 20, 18, and 25. Calculate post order sequence, calculate post order sequence and show me the result. You have to apply which rule? Left, right, and root. Okay, 3 replied directly from, Pranali, Abhishek, Shraddha, Mansi. 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 What about other? Okay, okay, just I calculate left, right root. It is left subtree, it is right subtree, and this one be the root. Okay, so you have to visit leftmost 5, then it's right 9, then it's root 7. I have completed left subtree. At the right subtree, again you have to apply the same procedure. You have to visit the leftmost. Who is the leftmost? 13. Again at the right hand side, you have to apply the same procedure. 18, 25, then 20, then 17, then 11. So this is nothing but it is the sequence 5, 9, 7, 13, 18, 25, 20, 17, 11. 5, 9, 7, 13, 18, 25, 20, 17, 11. I think it is correct. Okay, so I hope ki now you guys are well familiar with the concept of uh, you guys are now well familiar with the concept of what do you mean by binary search tree, what do you mean by traversal, and what are in order, pre-order, post-order traversal. Okay, what do you mean by binary search tree? In binary search tree, we are having key values arranged in such a way that the key value situated at the left hand side of root node is less than that of root node, and the key value which is situated at right hand side of root node is greater than that of root node. Okay, uh, next, next is what do you mean by traversal? It is a passion of visiting a tree in such a way that each and every node is get visited exactly once. Okay, and with respect to tree, we are having three kind of traversal: in order, pre-order, post-order. What is in order definition? Left root right. What is pre-order definition? Root left right. What is post-order definition? Left right and root. Okay, up till now we have seen so many examples. We have given a tree, and we have given a tree, and um, we have to calculate in order sequence, pre-order sequence, post-order sequence. You may have an example at the time of theory exam. You may have such kind of the example at the time of theory exam, but uh, in our next lecture what we have to see. Okay, because after this immediately I'm directly going to start with the implementation part. Okay, because I already have told we are having practical exam for 50 mark for this subject. Okay, uh, but at the time of theory exam, the question is like this: you have given in order sequence, you have given pre-order sequence, and you have to calculate post-order sequence. आर यू गेटिंग मी ऑर नॉट? ठीक आहे, आतापर्यंत आपण काय बघितलं? जस्ट आपण हे बघितलं की आपल्याला एक ट्री दिले आहे, आणि त्या ट्रीचा आपण इन ऑर्डर कॅल्क्युलेट करतोय, प्री ऑर्डर कॅल्क्युलेट करतोय, आणि पोस्ट ऑर्डर कॅल्क्युलेट करतोय. ओके, बट बट एक्झाम मध्ये तुम्हाला काय आहे तर binary, you have to construct binary tree from the traversal. Okay, just like, okay, here directly I write this part. Okay, uh, okay, or instead of writing this I just use notepad. Okay, I just use notepad. Now our next point is we have to construct binary tree from traversal. Okay, Our next concept is we have to form binary tree from the traversal. For example, you have given in order sequence. You have given in order sequence. Suppose it is D, B, E, A, F, C, G. Okay, and suppose you have given pre-order sequence, and it is like suppose A, B, D, E, C, F, G. Okay, you have given in order sequence D, B, E, A, F, C, G, and you have given pre-order sequence A, B, D, E, A, B, D, E, C, F, G. Okay, and you have to construct binary tree. Okay, so how to do this? I will explain. Okay, you have or sometimes you have given just pre-order sequence. Okay, you have given just pre-order sequence. Okay, uh, by using now, can you tell me just here? I write. Okay, suppose you have given प्री-ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स. कधी कधी तुम्हाला दोन्ही सिक्वेन्स देतात, इन ऑर्डर पण देतात आणि प्री ऑर्डर पण देतात. ओके, जर तसं दिलं तर ट्री कशी ड्रॉ करायची ते मी सांगतो फर्स्ट. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स काय दिला आहे आपल्याला? इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स इज व्हॉट? डीबीई. जस्ट हिअर आय राईट इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स. In order sequence is what? DBE, DBE, AFCG, AF, C, and G. Okay, and what is pre-order sequence? We have given pre-order sequence as A, B, D, A, B, D, then E, C, F, G, E, C, F, and G. Okay, so this is our first question. We have given in order sequence, we have given pre-order sequence, and we have to construct binary search tree. तर ती कशी ट्री ड्रॉ करायची मी तुम्हाला सांगतो. आता तुम्ही मला सांगा, इफ यू लुक ॲट प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स. ओके, प्री ऑर्डरची डेफिनेशन काय आहे? व्हॉट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्री ऑर्डर? रूट लेफ्ट राईट. ओके, म्हणजेच ए इज नथिंग बट इट इज व्हॉट, ते तुमचं काय असणार आहे? फायनल जी तुमची ट्री असणार आहे त्याचा रूट काय असणार आहे? ए असणार आहे. आर यू ॲग्री विथ दिस स्टेटमेंट? हॅलो, इन प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स our sequence is root left right, that is from this given sequence it is clear that a is the root. Is it fine? Are you agree with this statement? Okay, fine. Then what we have to do? ओके, इथं इन ऑर्डर मध्ये जायचं, इन ऑर्डर, आणि इथं ए सर्च करायचा. ए आहे इथं, एच्या लेफ्टला कोण आहे? डीबीई. यू हॅव टू राईट दिस डी, then this B, then this E. Okay. Then at the right hand side, who lies at the right hand side? F, then C, then this G. Okay. It is your first step. Is it okay? In pre-order sequence, A is the root node. I make A as a root and touch screen. And these are it lies at the left hand side, it lies at the right hand side. First step, is it clear? First step? Can I go to now second step? Hello, can I go to now second step? Okay, fine. In second step, what happens? See, in second step, what uh, it becomes as it is. Okay, now again, again at the left hand side there is DBE, and you have to check who is earlier in between DBE. हे तीन जे कॅरेक्टर आहे डीबीई, या तिघांपैकी अगोदर कोण आले प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स मध्ये? तर इथं आहे बी, इथं आहे डी, इथं आहे, म्हणजेच विच इज द which key value is the at pre-level this B. Okay, so A चा left आला B. Okay, again I have to search B. Yes, B is here, and D is at the left of B, E is at the right of B. D is at the left of B, and E is at the right of B. Okay, तसंच राईट हँड साईडला आउट ऑफ एफ सी जी यू हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट हु कम अर्लियर. ओके, एफ इथं आहे, सी इथं आहे, जी इथं आहे. ऑब्विसली कुठला नोड अगोदर आला आहे? ऑब्विसली सी. मग एच्या राईटला आला सी. अगेन यू हॅव टू सर्च फॉर सी. सी आहे आपला इथं. ओके, मग सीच्या लेफ्टला कोण आला? सीच्या लेफ्टला आला एफ. सीच्या राईटला कोण आलं? सीच्या राईटला आला जी. अँड दिस इज नथिंग बट इट इज सी. इट इज नथिंग बट इट इज युअर बायनरी ट्री. आता याचं प्री ऑर्डर कॅल्क्युलेट करा. ए बी डी ई सी एफ जी. याचं इन ऑर्डर कॅल्क्युलेट करा. डी बी ई ए एफ सी जी. इज इट ओके नाऊ? आर यू गेटिंग मी ऑर नॉट? समजतंय का काय केलं ते मी? हॅलो, आर यू गेटिंग मी ऑर नॉट? Okay, once again I repeat, do not take attention. Okay, my question is what? My question is what? Sometimes in the exam you have given in order sequence, you have given pre-order sequence, and you have asked to draw binary tree. Okay, or calculate by using those two, calculate post order sequence. Okay, आता पोस्ट ऑर्डर कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं म्हणल्यानंतर बाय युझिंग दोज सिक्वेन्स आपल्याला ट्री तर ड्रॉ करावी लागेल. ओके, इट इज फाईन. मग ट्री कशी ड्रॉ करायची? आता प्री ऑर्डर मध्ये काय आहे? आपल्याला माहिती आहे प्री ऑर्डरची डेफिनेशन काय? रूट लेफ्ट राईट. म्हणजेच या सिक्वेन्स मध्ये हा जो आहे तो रूट नोड असणार आपल्या फायनल ट्रीचा, याला रूट केला. ओके, मग ए इथं सर्च केला, ए आहे इथं, त्याच्या लेफ्टला डीबीई, डीबीई त्याच्या राईटला एफसीजी, एफसीजी. ओके, आता सेकंड स्टेप मध्ये काय करायचं? ए रूट राहिला ऍज इट इज. आता अगेन डीबीई. आउट ऑफ दिस डीबीई यू हॅव टू चेक विच की कम्स फर्स्ट. आता डी कुठं आहे? इथं आहे. बी कुठं आहे? इथं आहे. आणि ई कुठं आहे? इथं आहे. सो विच की कम्स फर्स्ट? बी. ओके, मग मी काय केलं? एच्या लेफ्टला हा बी ठेवला, एच्या लेफ्टला बी ठेवला. आता परत बी सर्च करणार वरती. बीच्या लेफ्टला आहे डी, राईटला आहे ई. बीच्या लेफ्टला डी, राईटला ई. तसंच इथं एफ सी जी विच कम? एफ इज हिअर, जी इज हिअर, अँड सी इज हिअर. कुठला नोड अगोदर आलाय? सी. ओके, सो राईट ऑफ ए इज सी. Again I search C in order sequence, left la F, right la G. So this is my final binary tree. आता याचा पोस्ट ऑर्डर काय येईल? D E B F G C A. Is it clear? Can I take another example? Can I take another example? Okay, see, whenever you are having this data structure the lecture of data structure and algorithm, compulsory you have to be with your notepad. Sorry, compulsory you have to you should have your pen and paper with you. Okay, so that when I take example you have to write it down. Okay, is it fine? Can I take one more example? Yes, I have to. Okay, again I am having my in order sequence. Okay, again I am having my in order sequence as suppose in order sequence is uh, F, then suppose it is G, then B, okay, then A, okay, then DCE, then D, then C, then E. Okay, I write it as a D. It looks like O. Okay, and my pre-order sequence. Okay, it is having my pre-order sequence. Okay, and it is suppose A, it is suppose B, then F. Okay, then G, then C, okay, then D, then E. Okay, and you have to construct binary tree. ओके, क्वेश्चन कसा असेल, यू हॅव गिवन इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स, यू हॅव गिवन प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स, अँड यू हॅव टू कन्स्ट्रक्ट बायनरी ट्री, ऑर you have given in order sequence, you have given pre order sequence and calculate post order. आता पोस्ट ऑर्डर असं आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करता येत नाही, त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला बायनरी ट्री ड्रॉ करावी लागते. आता ती ट्री कशी ड्रॉ करायची आपण बघूयात. ओके, हा, प्री ऑर्डर, ए इज नथिंग बट इट इज द रूट नोड. आय मेक ए ॲज अ रूट, आय मेक ए ॲज अ रूट. ओके, व्हेअर इज ए, दिस इज द ए. एच्या लेफ्टला काय आलं, एफ जी बी. एच्या लेफ्टला काय आलं, इट बिकम्स एफ. Okay, it becomes G, it becomes P. Okay, and at the right of A, D, C, E. At the right of A, D, it is C, then it is E. Okay, D, C, E. Again, this is first step. Again, second step. Again, second step. A, it becomes like this. Okay. Now you have to check. You have to check out of FGB which comes first. Obviously, F is here. Okay. Then G is here and B is here. So I consider left of A as B, left of A as B. ओके, अँड व्हेअर इज एफ जी. एफ जी कुठं आले, आता याच्या लेफ्टला आले. एफ जी कुठं आले, याच्या लेफ्टला आले. बरोबर आहे ना. आपण काय सर्च केलं, आउट ऑफ एफ जी बी. कुठला अगोदर येतोय, बी. एचा लेफ्ट केला बी. आता बी ला, बी कुठं आहे, या ठिकाणी आहे. आणि एफ जी कुठं लाई होतात, बीच्या लेफ्टला, एफ जी बीच्या लेफ्टला. Similarly, D, C, E. Out of them, which comes first? C. Okay, it is C. I search C. Okay, C च्या लेफ्टला आहे D, C च्या राईटला आहे E. C च्या लेफ्टला D, C च्या राईटला E. अगेन आय हॅव टू गो फॉर थर्ड स्टेप. ओके, कारण इथं आपल्याला परत कन्सिडर करावं लागेल ना. Again I go for third step. Okay, again it becomes A, it becomes B, it becomes C. This right part is complete. Okay, again I have to search. Okay, at the left of B, out of FG, which comes first? F is here. Okay, and G is here. So which come first? F. Okay, so लेफ्ट ऑफ बी इज नथिंग बट इट इज एफ. आपण इथं एफ सर्च करणार आणि जी कुठं आहे, एफच्या राईटला. सो इट बिकम जी, अँड दिस इज नथिंग बट इट इज युअर फायनल बायनरी ट्री. ओके, याचं कॅल्क्युलेट करा बरं. याचं कॅल्क्युलेट केलं तर बघा काय येतंय, प्री ऑर्डर ए बी एफ जी सी डी ई. आणि इन ऑर्डर काय येणार, एफ जी बी ए डी सी ई. इज इट फाईन, इज इट फाईन, आर यू गेटिंग मी ऑर नॉट? समजलं का? इज इट ओके? टेक एक्झाम्पल ऑफ हाईट 4. Why should I take example of height 4? You can solve example of height not only for, you can solve if I use height as a 10 15. Is it fine, Abhishek? Because actually I have to start with the implementation part. Is it fine? Is it fine? Concept समजतोय का? कन्सेप्ट समजतोय का? आपल्याला काय करायचं, बायनरी ट्री ड्रॉ करायची. आता कधी कधी कसं होतं की दिस इज फर्स्ट टाइप. सेकंड टाइप मध्ये काय होतं, तर फक्त आपल्याला इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स देतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वी हॅव गिवन प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स. ओके, अँड वी हॅव टू कन्स्ट्रक्ट बायनरी ट्री. ओके, तर या केसमध्ये तुम्ही काय करणार, कॅन यू थिंक? ओके ओके, आता आतापर्यंत जे आपण एक्झाम्पल बघितली, द एक्झाम्पल दॅट वी हॅव सीन अप टिल नाव, in those examples we have given two sequences, in order and pre-order. But is it necessary to provide two sequences? Are you getting me or not? Can you think? Okay, suppose we have given pre-order sequence. Is it possible you to calculate in order sequence? Is it possible you to calculate in order sequence? Okay, are you getting me or not? My question is, suppose we have given only one sequence, that is pre-order. Can you calculate in order sequence? Yes, you can calculate. ओके, त्या केसमध्ये काय करायचं, प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स जो आहे तो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर मध्ये कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा. तो झाला आपला कुठला सिक्वेन्स मला सांगा, तो झाला आपला कुठला सिक्वेन्स इन ऑर्डर, ऑब्विसली. ओके, मग आपल्याकडे इन ऑर्डर आहे, प्री ऑर्डर आहे, आणि जी तुम्ही ट्री ड्रॉ करणार ती तुमची बायनरी ट्री असणार. त्याचबरोबर ती कुठली ट्री असणार आहे, बायनरी सर्च ट्री. इज इट फाईन, इज इट फाईन. आतापर्यंत जे आपण एक्झाम्पल बघितली, आता हे इट इज, येस इट इज बायनरी ट्री, बट इट इज नॉट बायनरी सर्च ट्री. इज इट बायनरी सर्च ट्री, आहे का ही बायनरी सर्च ट्री आहे का? इज इट बायनरी सर्च ट्री? हॅलो, इज इट बायनरी सर्च ट्री, इज इट बायनरी सर्च ट्री? Obviously not. Obviously not. Do not confuse in between binary tree and binary search tree. एक्झाम मध्ये तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन काय येतोय, तर फर्स्ट टाइप, ओके, आपण आता जस्ट डिस्कस केला. यू हॅव गिव्हन इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स, यू हॅव गिव्हन pre-order sequence, and you have to construct binary tree, just like you have given in order sequence, you have given pre-order sequence, and how to draw binary tree, I already have told you an algorithm. Okay, मी तुम्हाला अल्गोरिदम सांगितलं आहे. ओके, बट ही जी बायनरी ट्री तुमची, फायनली जी बायनरी ट्री तुम्ही ड्रॉ करणार आहे, नेसेसरी नाही की ती बायनरी सर्च ट्री असली पाहिजे. इज इट बायनरी ट्री? येस, इट इज बायनरी ट्री. आता सेकंड क्वेश्चनची कॅटेगरी काय आहे, सपोज यू हॅव गिव्हन ओनली प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स. Suppose you have given only pre-order sequence. Suppose the sequence is, just I take one more example. Suppose the sequence is like this. A, just wait. Suppose you have given pre-order sequence, and suppose that pre-order sequence is like this: A, B, D, E, C, F, G, C, F, G. Suppose you have given pre-order sequence A, B, D, E, C, F, G, and you have to construct, suppose, binary tree. ओके, यू हॅव टू कन्स्ट्रक्ट सपोज बायनरी ट्री. आता या केसमध्ये तुम्हाला बायनरी ट्री ड्रॉ करायची आहे. मग यू ऑब्विसली याचा इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स तुम्ही कसा कॅल्क्युलेट करणार? ओके, इन ऑर्डर यू हॅव टू sort it in the ascending order. It becomes A, it becomes B, it becomes C, it becomes D, it becomes E, then F and G. आपण इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स कसा कॅल्क्युलेट करू? ही जी स्ट्रिंग आहे, हे जे कॅरेक्टर आहेत ते असेंडिंग ऑर्डरने सॉर्ट करू. इट बिकम्स ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी. हा मिळाला आपल्याला इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स. अँड वन्स वी आर रेडी विथ दिस इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स अँड प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स, आय ऑलरेडी हॅव टोल्ड हाऊ टू ड्रॉ बायनरी सर्च ट्री. मग बायनरी ट्री, ओके, A, it is the root node. Obviously A, it is the root node. Okay, A कुठं आहे? This is the A. आणि मग A चा लेफ्ट साइड एम्प्टी, राईट साइडला काय येईल? B, C, D, E, F and E, F and G. Okay, it is your first step. Now in second step, again what you have to do, in second step what you have to do, A, it becomes as it is. आता A च्या राईटला आउट ऑफ देम B, C, D, E, F, G, who come first? Obviously B. मग इथं काय आला? B आला. ओके, C, D, E, F, G, C, D, E, F, G राईटला आला इथं. C, D, E, F and G. Okay, again I go to the step number 3. Again I go to the step number 3. ओके, स्टेप नंबर 3 ला ए इथं, बी इथं. नाव आउट ऑफ सी डी ई एफ जी विच कम फर्स्ट, आउट ऑफ सी डी ई एफ जी विच कम फर्स्ट, obviously I think D. So I make right of B as D. ओके, आणि D च्या लेफ्टला कोण आला? D च्या लेफ्टला आला C. ओके, D च्या लेफ्टला आला C, आणि D च्या राईटला ई एफ जी. D च्या राईटला E, then F, then G. Okay, again, next step here I write. Okay, just wait. Okay, again suppose here, just I use this brush. Okay, A. Okay, A च्या राईटला B, B च्या राईटला D, D च्या लेफ्टला C. आता अगेन वी हॅव टू चेक ई एफ जी. ई इथं आहे, एफ इथं आहे, जी इथं आहे, म्हणजे इथं आला ई आला. ओके, इथं आला ई, आणि अगेन अगेन एफ जी कुठं आहे? ईच्या राईटला. इथं आला एफ, इथं आला जी. अगेन वी चेक आउट ऑफ एफ जी विच कम फर्स्ट, एफ, म्हणजे इथं आला एफ, आणि जी कुठं आहे? बरोबर आहे ना. आता एफ जी आपण काय चेक करणार? हु कम्स फर्स्ट? एफ, म्हणून ईचा राईट आला एफ, आणि एफ च्या राईटला आहे जी, म्हणजेच हा जी कुठं आला? एफ च्या राईटला, आणि हिथला जी आपण काढून टाकू. सो दिस इज द बायनरी ट्री. ओके, सो इफ यू कॅल्क्युलेट इन ऑर्डर रूट, सॉरी लेफ्ट रूट राईट, लेफ्ट नाहीये म्हणजे ए, देन बी, सी. ओके, is it fine? C, after C it becomes D, then E, F, G, and if you calculate pre-order it becomes A, B, D. It becomes A, what is pre-order? This root left right, A, then B, then D, then E, C, F, G. Is it fine? Is it fine for all? Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? Hello? Have you got how to calculate binary tree if you have given only one sequence? Is it fine? Is it fine? Have you got an idea? Okay. Next, how to calculate binary tree. Okay. समजतंय का? म्हणजे पहिलं जे टाईप होता त्या टाईप मध्ये आपल्याला दोन सिक्वेन्स दिले होते, इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स आणि प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स. त्यावरून आपण बायनरी ट्री ड्रॉ केली. ओके, आता सेकंड जे आहे, सेकंड मध्ये फक्त आपल्याला प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स दिला होता. मग तो इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स आपण कसा कॅल्क्युलेट केला? तो प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स असेंडिंग ऑर्डरने लिहिला, तो झाला आपला इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स. ओके ओके, तो झाला आपला इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स. मग एकदा का आपल्याकडे प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स आहे, इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स आहे, आपण जी ट्री ड्रॉ करणार, नाव इट बिकम्स, ती तुमची ट्री कसली असणार आहे? ती तुमची ट्री कसली असणार आहे? तर बायनरी ट्री तर असणारच आहे, ऍज वेल एज ती कशी असणार आहे? बायनरी सर्च ट्री. इज इट ओके? इज इट ओके? Okay, do not get confused in between binary tree and binary search tree. Okay, again, next. Okay, you have given third category, you have given post order sequence, you have given in order sequence, and you have to draw the binary tree. Okay, पहिल्या टाइप मध्ये काय होतं? दोन सिक्वेन्स दिले होते. कुठले कुठले होते? इन ऑर्डर आणि प्री ऑर्डर. त्यापासून आपण बायनरी ट्री ड्रॉ केली. आता सेकंड कॅटेगरी जी आहे, इन सेकंड कॅटेगरी वी हॅव गिवन व्हॉट? इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स, Okay. uh, then we have given post order sequence, and we have to calculate what? Binary tree. Okay. Now suppose in order sequence is D, then B, then E. D, B, E, A, F, C. A, F, C, and G. And suppose we have given post order sequence D, E, B, okay, F, G, C, A, F, G, C, and A. Okay, and we have to construct what? Binary tree. Okay, previous example, those we have seen. In those examples, we have given in order sequence, we have given pre-order sequence, and we have drawn binary tree. In this example, we have given in order sequence, we have given post order sequence, and we have to draw binary tree. See what is the difference in between them. Now tell me, by using this post order sequence, if you look at this post order sequence, okay, in post order, where root lies? Tell me, where root lies? What is the definition of post order? Left, right, root. That is uh, this A is nothing but it is the root node. Okay, so I make A as a root. बरोबर आहे ना? पोस्ट ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स मध्ये आपला डेफिनेशन काय आहे? लेफ्ट, राईट, रूट. म्हणजे जी आपली ओरिजिनल ट्री आहे त्याचा रूट जो आहे तो एकदम लास्टला येतो ना पोस्ट ऑर्डर मध्ये. म्हणून बाय युझिंग दिस पोस्ट ऑर्डर टू पोस्ट ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स, व्हॉट वी कॅन कन्क्लूड की ए आपला रूट आहे. आर यू ऍग्री विथ दिस? आर यू ऍग्री विथ दिस? आर यू ऍग्री विथ दिस? हॅलो? येस. ओके, व्हेरी गुड. हा, आता त्यानंतर मग आपण इथं काय केलं? जस्ट आय मेक ए ॲज अ रूट. ओके, अगेन इथं इन ऑर्डर मध्ये मी ए सर्च केला, ए आहे इथं. एच्या लेफ्टला कोण? डी, बी, ई. एच्या लेफ्टला कोण? डी, बी आणि ई. आणि एच्या राईटला कोण? एफ, सी, जी. एच्या राईटला कोण? एफ, सी अँड जी. आता दिस इज फर्स्ट स्टेप. आता सेकंड स्टेप मध्ये काय करायचं? जस्ट आय टेल यू, जस्ट आय टेल यू. In second step, okay, A is here. Okay, now we have to decide out of this D, B, E who comes to left of B, and we have to decide out of FCG who comes to right of A. For that, what we have to do? आता तिथं आपण काय केलं होतं? D, B, E. परत आपण या सिक्वेन्सला गेलो होतो आणि चेक केलं होतं की डी, बी, ई पैकी पहिल्यांदा कोण आलंय. तर पोस्ट ऑर्डर मध्ये काय चेक करायचं? आउट ऑफ डी, बी, ई वी हॅव टू चेक हू कम्स लास्ट. ओके, डी इज हिअर, E is B is here, and E is here. Who comes last? B. Okay. So याच्या लेफ्टला कोण ऍड करणार? बी ऍड करणार. ओके, तिथं काय केलं होतं आपण? जर आपल्याला इन ऑर्डर आणि प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स दिला होता त्यावेळेस आपण काय चेक केलं होतं? डी, बी, ई. आउट ऑफ डी, बी, ई हू कम्स फर्स्ट? बट नाउ वी हॅव गिवन post order sequence. What we have to check out of this D, B, E? Who comes last? C. D is here, E is here, and B is here. Who comes last? B. So out of D, B, E we have to set B as a left of A. आता त्यानंतर B इथं सर्च करा, B इथं सर्च करा. B च्या लेफ्टला D, B च्या राईटला E, B च्या लेफ्टला D. ओके, आणि B च्या राईटला काय आला? E. ओके, again same thing. FCG. Out of FCG who comes last? F is here, G is here, and C is here. Who comes last? C. याचा राईट काय झाला? C. Again you have to search C. C is here, C चा लेफ्ट F, C चा राईट G, C चा लेफ्ट F आणि C चा राईट G. ओके, अँड दिस इज युअर बायनरी ट्री. नेसेसरी नाही की ती बायनरी सर्च ट्री असली पाहिजे. आपल्याला क्वेश्चन मध्ये काय सांगितलंय calculate binary tree from the given traversal. So this is the binary tree. Now if you calculate, see, in order sequence, what is in order? Hmm, D, B, E, A, F, C, G. What is post order? D, E, B, F, G, C, A. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Hello? Hello? Okay. Fine. So, uh, what we have seen today, we have seen what do you mean by binary tree? What do you mean by binary tree? Sorry, what do you mean by binary search tree? Then we have seen traversal with respect to binary tree. These are the three traversal: in order, pre-order, post-order. We have seen definition, and then the most important, what we have seen, most important, what we have seen, how to calculate binary tree if we have given in order sequence and pre-order sequence, as well as if we have given in order sequence as well as post order sequence. And also we can draw a tree, also we can draw a tree though we have given only one sequence. बरोबर आहे ना? म्हणजे नेसेसरी नाहीये की दोन सिक्वेन्स दिले पाहिजे, इन ऑर्डर आणि प्री ऑर्डर, और इन ऑर्डर और पोस्ट ऑर्डर. म्हणजे नेसेसरी नाहीये, एक जरी सिक्वेन्स दिला प्री ऑर्डर और पोस्ट ऑर्डर, ओके, त्या केसमध्ये इन ऑर्डर तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकता. कसा कॅल्क्युलेट करणार तुम्ही मला सांगा? कसा कॅल्क्युलेट करणार इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स? कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करणार इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स? हॅलो? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके. ओके, बाय रायटिंग इट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स काय करणार? ते असेंडिंग ऑर्डर मध्ये तुम्ही लिहिणार. आणि once you write in ascending order, your in order sequence is ready. Now you are having your pre-order sequence, you are having in order sequence, or you are having post order sequence, you are having in order sequence. Once you are having two sequences, you can draw a tree. बरोबर आहे ना? आणि त्या केसमध्ये तुमची जी ट्री तुम्ही ड्रॉ करणार आहे ती कसली असणार आहे? बायनरी ट्री तर असणार आहे, ऍज वेल एज ती कशी असणार आहे? ऍज वेल एज ती कशी असणार आहे? हॅलो? When you generate your own in order sequence in the sorted order, at that time uh, you can draw a binary tree, but ती binary tree तुमची कशी असणार आहे? तर बायनरी सर्च ट्री असणार आहे ना? बरोबर आहे? इज इट फाईन? इज इट फाईन? ओके. सो दीज आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट क्वेश्चन. तुमची जी ऑनलाईन एक्झाम आहे ना, ऑनलाईन एक्झाम पहिल्या या ट्रीच्या युनिटवरती याच टाईपचे क्वेश्चन असतात. यू हॅव गिवन इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स, यू हॅव गिवन प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स, अँड यू हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट पोस्ट ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स. तर तो कसा काढायचा? तर त्यासाठी बायनरी ट्री ड्रॉ करायची. मग एकदा का बायनरी ट्री तुम्ही ड्रॉ केली की यू कॅन राईट पोस्ट ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स, और यू हॅव गिवन इन ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स, यू हॅव गिवन पोस्ट ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स, अँड इट इज बिंग आस्क्ड टू कॅल्क्युलेट प्री ऑर्डर सिक्वेन्स. कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं तर ते मी तुम्हाला सांगितले. इज इट फाईन नाऊ? इज इट फाईन? आय थिंक टुडे वी हॅव डिस्कस्ड मोर दॅन इनफ, बिकॉज डायरेक्ट आय हॅव टू टुडे आय प्लॅन डायरेक्टली टू स्टार्ट विथ द इम्प्लिमेंटेशन पार्ट, बट आता आपले ट्रॅव्हर्सल चालूच आहेत तर ते बायनरी ट्री कन्स्ट्रक्ट ते पण मी कम्प्लीट करून टाकलं. इज इट फाईन? इज इट फाईन? और डू यू वॉन्ट वन मोर एक्झाम्पल ऑफ दिस, how to calculate binary tree from given sequence? Tell me immediately, be fast please, because already it is 10:20. What should I do you want one more example, or can I directly start with the implementation part, or implementation do you want in the next week? Be fast, tell me. Sorry, in the next lecture. What do you want? Please tell me. or you want break? Implementation, directly implementation, very good. Okay, fine. uh, okay, I am using this Windows platform. I just restart my machine. I just restart my machine by using Linux platform. Okay, within a 5 minutes. So you are having break of 5 minutes. After 20-minute break, 20 minutes. No, within a 5 minute, just I restart my machine. Again, you have to join the same link. Okay, just I stop this recording.